How to fix TikTok community guidelines violation. If your TikTok video was removed due to a community guidelines violation, then here is how you can fix it and avoid future violations. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Once done so, tap on the profile icon or profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Also, once done, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on the report a problem. Again, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the chat with us. If you believe TikTok wrongly removed your video, then submit an appeal. So none of my TikTok video has been community guidelines violation. So I'm just giving you an example for all this, which will definitely work. Now all you have to do is write down the TikTok that you are facing the community guideline violation and how to fix it. So as you can see, TikTok sends you an inbox when your video is removed. Look for a message saying your video was removed due to violation and tap on it to see the specific reason. And if the problem is there, then you can select appeal, which contains inside the video and explain why your video does not violate TikTok's rule. Submit and wait for a response, usually with 24 to 48 hours. If your appeal is denied, then all you have to do is edit the video, blur sensitive parts, change music, or remove flagged content and re-upload it with different hashtags and captions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.